Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're looking at a hardy, fast-spreading ground cover that's as practical as it is beautiful. Blue Pacific Juniper, known for its lush blue-green foliage and incredible toughness, this evergreen is a go-to for gardeners who want low-maintenance ground cover with year-round appeal. An interesting fact about Blue Pacific Juniper is it's one of the most salt-tolerant junipers out there, making it especially popular in coastal gardens. Whether you live by the beach or inland, it thrives where other plants may struggle. Blue Pacific Juniper comes from shore juniper. As the name suggests, shore junipers are native to the coastal dunes of Japan, where they grow in sandy, salty, and wind-blown conditions. The Blue Pacific cultivar was selected for its exceptionally dense growth, soft texture, and rich blue-green color. It quickly became a favorite for erosion control and landscaping in North America. It forms a low, mat-forming evergreen that grows only about 1 to 2 feet tall, but spreads up to 6 feet wide. Its foliage is blue-green, needle-like, and soft to the touch, unlike some prickly junipers. The color holds beautifully all year, with a slightly bronzy tint in winter. Its dense, layered branches create a thick carpet effect, making it perfect for covering slopes, banks, and open ground. Another identifying feature is its small, round berry-like cones, which are actually modified seed structures. These dusty blueberries are an important food source for birds and add ornamental interest. Blue Pacific Juniper is prized for being low maintenance and tough. It thrives in full sun, which brings out its best color and dense form. It tolerates a wide range of soils, but needs good drainage. Soggy soil is one of the conditions it doesn't like. It's hardy to zones 6 through 9, making it ideal for temperate and coastal regions. Once established, it's drought tolerant, heat tolerant, and salt tolerant, which means it can handle tough conditions with minimal care. It's also one of the best ground covers for slopes, banks, and erosion control. Its dense, spreading roots help stabilize soil, while its thick foliage suppresses weeds. It pairs beautifully with ornamental grasses, flowering perennials like daylilies and coneflowers, and small shrubs such as lavender. The blue-green tones contrast especially well with warm-color flowers and silver foliage plants. In coastal landscapes, it's a natural companion to other salt-tolerant plants such as Russian sage, beach rose, and seldums. In rock gardens or foundation plants, it provides a low evergreen base that softens edges and adds year-round structure. While not edible, Blue Pacific Juniper has ecological value. Its dense, sprawling form provides shelter for small birds and insects, and its berry-like cones are a food source for wildlife. As with other junipers, it also contributes to air purification by absorbing carbon and releasing clean oxygen year-round. Culturally, junipers have been long associated with protection, resilience, used in incense and traditional medicine in parts of Asia. Blue Pacific carries that same symbolism into the garden, standing as a plant that endures while others fail. If you enjoyed learning about Blue Pacific Juniper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow gardeners. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the plants that bring life and structure to our gardens all year round.